Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics. Early Year Foundation Stage 3. Don't forget the importance of sign language. It's a bridge to communication, opening doors of understanding and inclusion for those who rely on it. Sign language letter P. P is a hard one. It is kind of like the sign for K, but on its side. To sign P, put your thumb in between your first two fingers and then bend your wrist towards the ground. Remember, this is all done in one fluid motion. This is a letter sign T that may take practice to both remember and do correctly. Sign language letter Q. Personally, I don't really think Q looks like much. I like to remember the sign for Q by thinking, I need to pick up a quarter from the ground. Sign language letter R. If you the learn sign for ready, you'll easily remember R. That's because the sign for ready is R shook back and forth. Remember that you are ready for R. Sign language letter S. You can remember S by thinking of snake on a stone. Sign language letter T. T isn't super intuitive. You can help teach the sign by remembering that you have to use your thumb to sign T, and that thumb starts with T. You can also think of T like a little turtle poking its head out. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.